What's up, Pingoos? It's Penguin0510 here. Today, no, I will not be drinking orange juice and milk. Instead, I'm going to be doing a reaction video, which I know I haven't done in a very long time. I've seen a couple of YouTubers reacting to these satisfying videos. So, together, you and me, let's watch one of these. Apparently the most satisfying video in the world. Let's watch it and see if it satisfies me. Oh, no, that one got to me. Oh, not spikes. No, no, no. This is tough. Jeez. Now that's innovative. That was disgusting. Oh, what? You don't like it? I'm not saying anything? I'm not saying anything while I'm reacting to it? Oh, really? Oh, you think I'm rubbish? Oh, you think I'm rubbish? Okay, okay. Let's then, well, let's do something else then. We're gonna be taste testing Fizzers. Oh boy, can I wait? So wait, here we've got the packaging. Maybe if I can focus it. If I don't put my hand behind it, then it won't focus, so it's really annoying. There you go. So there's a nice little thing on the packaging. Swizzles. It's not. Oh, it's when I'll focus again. Sorry about this. No artificial colors. Isn't that fantastic? So then we got some other things and some other things. So let's just get straight to the sort of unboxing of this. So we got it right here, and it's not focusing again. Jesus, you know what it's like. Pull it apart like that. Then we unbox it. Oh boy. Now, the first one we're gonna taste is this white one. I wonder if it's gonna taste nice or anything. I'm not too sure. Let's taste it. Fantastic. I'm gonna have a bit more. Oh my goodness, I'm all over the place. Hey. Oh my gosh, guys, are you seeing this? Somebody's already eaten this. No, there's nobody in here. I really bashed my mic. That one was really nice. Really nice, fruity, vibrant flavor. I'm gonna take two at the same time. I'm a rebel. I love the sound it makes. Okay, I think that's enough video time. Yeah, if you liked it, then like it. If you didn't, well then, don't dislike it. But if you really feel the need to dislike it, then please go ahead, dislike it all you want. As always, stay amazing.